Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Tundra headlight bulb. This process is straightforward, even if you're not a seasoned mechanic. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you have the right tools and confidence to get the job done. You'll save time and money by doing this yourself, and your Tundra will be back on the road with bright, clear illumination in no time. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your hood and locate the two 10mm bolts at the top of the headlight assembly. Use your socket wrench to remove these. Once those are out, gently pull the headlight assembly straight forward. It's held in place by a couple of lower clips, so a firm but careful tug will release it. Finally, disconnect the main electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it free. Now that the headlight assembly is out, you can access the bulb. Twist the bulb's housing counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it. Gently pull the old bulb straight out. When handling the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb, aligning the tabs, then twist clockwise to secure it firmly in place. With the new bulb installed, it's time to put everything back together. Reconnect the main electrical connector to the headlight assembly. Carefully slide the headlight back into its opening, making sure the lower clips snap into position. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts at the top and tighten them securely. Before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to confirm both high and low beams are working correctly. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.